you're a home coffee roaster, you know that roasted coffee is a great gift for your family and friends. If you're packing it up at home and sending it out, we recommend using these bags right here. These are valve bags, and we carry them in a half-pound size and a 1-pound size. The cool thing about these is they have a one-way valve on them, which lets CO2 out but doesn't let oxygen in. Also, they're totally opaque, so they don't let any sunlight in. They're really good to put stickers on. You can write on them with a Sharpie. Also, too, they are heat sealable. When we send out roasted coffee from our warehouse, what we do is we have a crimping machine that seals it along the top, but you don't need one of those. All you need at home is an iron and a towel, and we're going to show you how to do that. What you do is you just get your bag of coffee right here, get your hot iron, make sure it's on medium heat, make sure the steam is off, and there's a towel on the work surface so you don't burn whatever nice table you have here. Just get the edge of the iron, run it along the edge of your bag, like so, and it creates a perfect bond between the two edges of the bag. And when you send this out to your friend, there's these notches right here that they can just pull and tear the top section off, and they can still use the zipper right along the edge.